Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare interactive brokers and Robinhood. The first thing I'm going to talk about are fees, then I will talk about the account opening, if they have any inactivity fee or withdrawal fee, then I will talk about the design of application, like which I actually prefer and which I recommend to use, security on both of these brokers, and also customer service, etc. So let's start. Fees. Robinhood is completely dominating interactive brokers on a huge scale. Why? Because Robinhood has free options, free ETF, and also free stocks. Comparing to interactive brokers, when you would look on fees, look right here, you can see right here that they have actually fee for stocks, but Robinhood doesn't. So this is the first thing that I recommend. Like if you're targeted on fees, I would recommend going with Robinhood. Now, the second thing is inactivity fee and also withdrawal fee. Robinhood doesn't have any inactivity fee or withdrawal fee, but interactive brokers has. They have it's called inactivity fee of $20. So if you have account below 100,000 K or you don't have any commission up to $20, you're gonna get paid. You need to pay $20 monthly. So that's pretty much huge, and they have one of the hugest inactivity fees on the market right now. And this is what you need to be careful. If you are going to have more money than $100,000 or 100,000 euro, I recommend going with interactive brokers. That's just my recommendation. And now, what is the advantage of interactive brokers comparing to Robinhood? It's the portfolio and markets. They have the most markets and most possibilities to invest to on the whole market right now. So if you're looking for funds, bonds, a lot of stocks, go with interactive brokers. When I'm going to show you, they have the most ETFs in whole world, interactive brokers. So if you want to, like, I don't know, invest to foreign markets, I would go with interactive brokers. If you're looking for safe options, that you made a lot of money on options in how it's called on Robinhood, and you want to like keep your money safe somewhere, I would choose interactive brokers. Like it's the most secured platform that you can have. Based on security and the options to invest to ETFs and stocks, no one is beating interactive brokers. That's what I think. So this is it. And also, if I'm going to compare the mobile application or also how the trading app is looking like and everything, I recommend Robinhood. To summarize this whole review, so if you're looking for, let's say, investing, I don't know, up to 20,000, 30, or to even $50,000, go with the Robinhood. If you will have above 100,000 euro, dollars, whatever, I would go with interactive brokers. That would be me. Also, customer service. Interactive brokers has much better customer service comparing to Robinhood if you would compare it, because Robinhood doesn't have any phone support, live chat, and 24/7 support, and sometimes they have bugs in their application. So this is something you need to keep in mind. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. But this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some kind of insight, like what is good and what is not. And yeah, goodbye.